Welcome to Scheidler Apartments. Today we're going to show you how to clean your stove to keep it in tip-top shape to prevent any buildup. Before you start, you're going to have to turn off your oven. To get started, make your way over to the utility closet. There's a 30-watt double switch just like this one. Next, test the stove to make sure it's completely powered off before you start cleaning. Once the stove is off, you can safely remove the burner elements and clean the pans underneath. Don't forget to lift the stove cover and clean the area beneath. It's easy to miss, but a lot of grime can build up there. The oven is another spot that needs regular cleaning. Keeping it clean will help it work more efficiently and avoid any unpleasant smells. A clean stove not only looks better, but works better too. Keeping your appliances clean is an important part of maintaining your apartment. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the UA office. Thanks for watching!